Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. Oh my goodness, you guys. I thought that it had just turned into a tale told to those of us crafters who were trying to keep our eyes out. But check this out. I have found a stack of tumbling tower blocks that are just the unstained version. They do not have that pre-stained version in them. This is awesome. What is maybe not as awesome is instead of my $1.25, they're now $1.75. But wow, I love that because I personally like to stain my own blocks utilizing the Waverly Antique Wax, as you guys know. It's not that I don't use the pre-stained blocks because you guys have seen me use those for projects, but I prefer these. And I know that some of you guys out here also prefer them. So let me know in the comments if you guys have been able to find these again, or if you're still finding the kind of mixed pack with the unstained and pre-stained. I need to know. Okay guys, because I was looking at the blocks, I am over here in the toy section, and I don't know what it is, but these kind of flower click clack, I don't want to say Lego, what do they call it, make it block sets have really been catching my eye right now. So it's like a 97 piece set that I guess comes together as a puzzle to make this flower. Let me stand back here because they've got a couple of different, it looks like kits. This is the one that I see here. I'll see if we can see any other ones. I'm trying to see what's kind of in here. So apparently it's just a bunch of different kits, 97 pieces come together to make this. Now I'm guessing this is a $5 situation just because that's what I'm seeing priced around it. Oh, this is cool. So this is one's a sorry, 102 pieces. And then, so this is the other one, 182. That's part of the set. Let me see if I can find, whoa, Lord. The rest of it, you guys know what I'm doing one-handed here. The full struggle is going on. But guess what? I think they have all the sets here. Do you guys see that? That one's really cool. And then lastly, woo, they've got this one. So it does look like, at least at the store that I'm in, they have one of each type, but these are very cool. I could see these being a cool, kind of summertime thing to give a kid to work on, or just a really cool puzzle, even as an adult or as a crafter to work on, because these look like they would be beautiful put together. Let me know if you've seen those in your store. Okay, over here in the toy section, I'm loving these kind of like wooden toy sets that they came out with. So this one's looking like a wooden tabletop cornhole. Let me see if I can get this up for you guys. It's $5. It looks like they had to write the price in there, but too cute. I love this. I love this as like a gift item too. Like, think about that. Again, birthday season, whatever. Trying to pick up a couple of quick little cute gifts that aren't going to break your bank, but are also going to be really nice. And these wooden games that they have, you guys, I've had a couple of them. They're actually pretty dang good quality. So definitely consider that. These are way cute. So I'm over here in the toy section still. But check out these puzzles. Because I don't think puzzles are toys to me. I mean, I guess. But I know so many people who do puzzles that I guess I consider them not toys. But tell me what you consider puzzles. What category of item do you think that puzzles are? But look at this very beautiful one. And then, holy poop, let me grab this one, you guys. And these are 500 piece puzzles that are for the $1.75. Look at this highly colorful one for my yarny people. I love that. Look at this one. Oh, hold on, let me turn it around, you guys. You know, we're doing the one-handed Nancy here, but how beautiful is that? And what I've loved that I'm seeing is like people will do these puzzles. Let me check this one out. Oh my goodness. People will do these puzzles and then they'll kind of like shellac it or something with a little bit of Mod Podge and then hang it like art. Hang it like art. And I love every last piece of that. They kind of have some more kind of kid-friendly like ones here. But those I thought were really, really beautiful. Let's just see if we can see any other cool ones. Now these are 350 pieces. Way cool. Way cool. Just, I'm not, obviously there's so many to choose from, so I'm not going to pick them all up, but I wanted to try to show you guys as many as possible. Look at how beautiful and how vibrant these colors are. I would love to see If you have ever done one of these puzzles, let us know in the comments, because I love that you guys tell me stuff in the comments. Let me know if the puzzle pieces are as vibrant once you open up the box as they are on the outside of the box, because I need to know that. But way cool. You guys are getting the picture of just how beautiful these puzzles are. And like I said, you guys can look it up on YouTube, but some people are doing some crazy stuff with these puzzles and puzzle pieces. And these types of puzzles to me seem like they would be beautiful to use for other projects as well as just to put together. Okay, woo, these I like. These I like. So this would have been perfect. Oh my goodness, I wonder if I should snatch some of these up. I still have quite a few of those kind of stencils that I used to make that one lamp. Trying to see if I could figure out what size this is. Now, ultimately, the inner pictures or the inner kind of compartments are 4x4, but I was trying to figure out how long this whole frame is, but it is $1.25. Is that what they're referring to it as? Or maybe they're considering it a larger frame for the $1.50. Still trying to make sense of all the prices. But I love this because you don't have to use it as is. As you guys know, when I'm making lamps, I oftentimes, often use Dollar Tree frames, and this would be great for a nice tall table lamp. I think I might actually snatch some of these up, you guys, and we can do a quick DIY. Oh my goodness, you guys. Shut up and shut up again. This is crazy because you remember all of the lemon DIYs that I've been doing. This is my first time seeing these lemon kind of decal stickers that Dollar Tree puts out. This is my first time seeing these. Put in the comments if you guys have seen these before. I feel like I'm gonna need to snatch up 2 of these, and I'm gonna tell you why. I am gonna probably do a DIY with one, and then I'm gonna have to send one to my girl Donna, the Creole crafter, because she is absolutely gonna ask me about this when she sees this video. And these are just $1.25, but I'm definitely gonna snatch these up. I love the quality on these. These are very cute. Let me know if you guys have seen these in your store. Oh, wow. I love to look at the placemats, you guys. This, that is so cute. Let me flip it around because sometimes they're two-sided. But tell me that this placemat, it's kind of that thick plastic, if you guys can tell. I'm trying to turn around a little bit, you guys, so I can divert the sound because it's a little bit loud in here. But look at that. That is so cool. These are just really, really cool placemats. And again, I always think when I see stuff like this that I can use it for a variety of things. Mostly a lot of DIY stuff. It doesn't have to be used as a placemat, although as a placemat, whoo, I could see this being really cool too. But yes, these are cool. And these are, I think this is the first time I'm seeing these. Okay, you guys, check this out. I'm gonna have to hold this up for you guys to actually be able to see it. But look at that. I have never seen this style of placemat before. I'm not gonna move you guys too quick. I've seen these like flower ones before, but let me know if you guys had seen these kind of cool ones with the butterflies. Super cute. I was gonna see if I could see it in any other color. I think I see kind of the silver and the gold because this appears to be the gold one. Very, very cute. And I think these are, trying to see if I get the price around, $1.50 if it stops spinning. But very cute. Very cute. I love that. I could think of 1,000 DIYs. Crazy, you guys. How have I not been paying attention to this? So I'm over here in kind of the poster board section, right? And I'm seeing this like highly metallic gold. You guys can see that. It looks like it's gold on one side. Regular poster board on the other side. Paper. And I'm guessing this stuff is still just $1.25. Let me see if I can. Oh, Lord. I can't really figure that out, you guys. But I think, oh my goodness, that it is still just the $1.25. And I love this. I love this if you're somebody who likes to use gold quite a bit. Oh, super cute, you guys. Check this out. This is an Axe pizza cutter. And it's just over here in the kitchenware kind of section. And I think it's only like $1.25, I want to say. Going on a limb there. But what a cute thing to grab. definitely a cute kind of like gift idea, like a birthday gift or something like that. It does appear to be dishwasher safe. And I love that. It's like a little axe.
It's a pizza cutter.
But you can use it with your, you know, cut your pizza. Very, very cute. Very cute. Oh, super cute. I don't know that I've seen this. Now, I saw those kind of ramen noodle bowl sets that they had, but apparently they came out with a Breyers ice cream bowl and spoon set too. Look at that. I'm guessing it's plastic because this is a pretty lightweight box. But if you know somebody who likes their Breyers ice cream, this would maybe be a cute little set to consider grabbing for them. Nice. Pretty good size bowl. But again, I think it's plastic because of the lightweightness. And it does come with a little spoon, and that is $1.50. Hey you guys, again, they are coming out with some very nostalgic, you know, just kind of cute little kind of kitchenware items and just stuff all over the store. But look at these SpongeBob pot holders. And then I see Spider-Man here. And what else did I see? Oh, there is the Mickey Mouse kind of oven mitt. Very cute. Oh, and what is that? Is that Yoda? Oh, it's baby freaking Yoda, y'all. It's baby freaking Yoda. I love that. Let me know if you guys have picked any of these up, or if you're loving this highly kind of cutesy, nostalgic wear that they have throughout the store. Oh, too cool. Again, part of that same vein of just like kind of cutesy, nostalgic kitchenware. Check out this Lilo and Stitch kitchen timer. It's a digital kitchen timer. I see a couple of them back here. We're gonna see how many of them we can see. I see a Minnie Mouse kitchen timer. Too cute. Oh my gosh. And then there's a little SpongeBob SquarePants. Let me see if I can get you guys back there. There you go. And then I also see Garfield, which is such a throwback. That isn't even funny. But yeah, they've got a ton of like cool, cute stuff like that. Oh geez, right above me here, they've got this Winnie the Pooh silicone basting brush. Look at that. And then I see Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. And then what is this? Again, Lilo and Stitch. So very, very cutesy kind of stuff like that. I love these chip clips. The Minnie Mouse chip clips, those are dang cute too. So there's just a lot of different stuff that is just, to me, just nostalgic or cutesy, cartoonish, whatever, that they have. And I just think that's just the dang cutest thing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.